Building an emotionally safe home might very well be the most important thing you do as a parent. And when you are intentional about your own heart healing, you get a chance to change the trajectory of your entire family, building deep connections and breaking chains of emotional bondage and all the things that come with that. I am incredibly blessed and so grateful that together with my husband, Dan, we get to work with people in this realm all the time. And we especially love working with parents so they can pass on healthy coping skills to their kids and create emotional safety in their homes. Along with emotional health, Dan also has a huge place in his heart for kids with special needs. He has worked with many kids and their parents, helping them to gain foundational tools through an incredible program where he uses cognitive, sensory motor, and nutritional therapies to see improvement in their child's life. And let me tell you, when you combine this program with his unique skill set of helping parents process the emotional toll that these challenges can bring, you have something really special. So I'm so excited that he is going to be doing a free 2-hour workshop Tuesday, August 29th at 7 p.m. Central Time. He will be sharing so much incredible information, and we'll have plenty of time for Q&A as well. So if you have a child with developmental delays or learning disabilities, or if you know someone who does, please check it out. Go to my bio and there's the link to register. It is free, and he's going to be giving so much good info. Of course, yes, there will be a replay. You will have access to that, but you want to be there live. Dan only does this program 2 times a year, and we would love to see you there. The link is in the bio, so go there and hold your spot, and we look forward to seeing you there.